Okay guys, so today's video is also a different format video. I'm doing the unboxing of the all new Apple Watch SE here. I got this for my wife for her birthday. This is an upgrade to her previous Series 2 here. She is a huge Apple fan and I got her this about 2 years ago, I think, and that's the Series 2, either the Series 2 or the Series 3, I'm not really sure, about 2 years ago. And today I wanted to go ahead and offer her kind of an upgrade. So this is the unboxing of the SE, and you may notice that it's not sealed, and that's simply because when I purchased this, my wife loves the color gold, so I went ahead and upgraded her band, and I went with the Milanese Loop, I believe it's called, which is normally about $99. So I upgraded her regular band, which would have been this band here with the SE, and I got her the Milanese Loop there. And I believe, I could be wrong, but I think in the store what they do is if you upgrade the band, they would grab the watch and break that seal, take the watch, I'm sorry, not take the watch out, but exchange the band and put the new band, the band that you're purchasing. But either way, you are going to see that inside, and as you would imagine, she's already taken a peek at what comes in here. This is more of an unboxing just to kind of show you what comes with this watch. And without further ado, let's go ahead and open this baby up and see what we are dealing with here. So you can see that has the Apple Watch logo on the front there, and pulling these tabs like she did when I bought it. And you know, one thing I usually just love about Apple is just the style of their packaging. They just keep it just so very clean and very straightforward, which is also one of the reasons I like the way Samsung has been packaging a lot of their stuff also. You know, they've been kind of following that very minimal and clean packaging. In fact, if we look at the packaging for my Galaxy Watch 3 here, again, I'm already familiar with this because she opened it on her birthday and she, you know, I saw all of these. So you get this double box setup inside here. Anyways, so you have this kind of a assortment of different color bands that they have available for their watches. But we're gonna set that to the side here and take a look. Oh, looks like I opened that upside down. As I mentioned, you get kind of this double box, like stacked up of two boxes. So you have the watch there, and then you also have the band. And as you may notice here, this is what they call the Milanese Loop here. So the first thing here is we are going to take a look at the watch itself, and it should be also a pretty straightforward setup. So you just got to peel these tabs to get to the watch there. And this is the setup that you have in the box here. Again, very clean setup as always by Apple. You have that design by Apple there. And I'm pretty sure quick setup guide. And what we have here would be the charger or the USB. I didn't take a look. Okay, there we go. Oh, so it's type A. So we have type A. So type A to that plate for charging. And here we have the actual watch. Not sure if this thing is gonna zoom in to it. Pretty standard, I guess. Kind of the same look you would normally get from previous watches. So let's take that out. Okay, just gotta peel it off there. So this is what we are dealing with here. Now, one of the reasons I never went for the Apple Watch is just because of the looks of it. I don't know, I'm more of the type that would prefer the traditional round face like I have here with my Watch 3. And also, if I could find my other watch, I thought I had my Galaxy S3 here, but I typically prefer this round, kind of rugged look as opposed to this square. I mean, don't get me wrong, I hear quite a few people saying so many good things about Apple Watches, but I just could really never get into it. Now, the phones, of course, phones, tablets, and, you know, laptops, I love it. I love Apple laptops, but the watch, I just could never get to it. But anyways, as I mentioned, this is kind of the same setup as you will see here. Same form factor actually almost about the same size, it seems. Now this is the 40 millimeter, I believe. Yeah, this is the 40 millimeter, and it goes, it's pretty much like this one. Turn this thing on. I believe that's the power button. There we go. And we're gonna sit that to the side here as we complete the unboxing. All right, so the Milanese Loop, as I mentioned, this would run you about $100 if you were to, let's say, purchase the watch and then buy the band separately. But if you buy the band, I think it goes down to about, I think it added about 70 or 80 bucks, maybe 70 bucks to the total price. I don't remember. I could be wrong though. Maybe 60 or 70 bucks. All right, so that's the box for that. And we have, it has a manual of its own there. And what else do we have? So we have the band. I guess that's pretty much all that's going to be in here. Let's see. This thing actually looks beautiful. Not sure if the light actually even helps. It looks beautiful in real life. I have to take this off. But anyways, it's just the unboxing anyways. So just wanted to show you guys what you would be expecting if you were to purchase the the Apple Watch SE here. It shares quite a few things with the regular watch S6. I believe it has GPS. It also has the heart rate sensor. That is Apple's second generation heart rate sensor in this one. And then you also have the S5 chipset in here, and you can also get the low and high heart rate notifications on here. It pretty much would detect if you have any type of irregular heart rhythm, so you get that notification letting you know what's going on with your heart there. And that's one of the biggest appeals of Apple Watches, right? They're great for fitness related stuff and health related information. They provide that very well. They do a very good job of providing you with all of that info. So the SE is actually a good pickup. This was the unboxing, and I didn't really want to make this video very long. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, of course, comment, subscribe. I'm going to catch you in the next video. I'm also going to catch you in the comment section. In the next video, I'm probably going to catch you face to face. Up until then, stay safe out there.